Hi, I'm Ty Steinbrecher, Tech Service Manager at Boss Snowplow. The Boss Tech Service team is here to back you up. Today we're going to be talking about how to change out the fuel filter on a Snowraider mag. Pretty easy process of simply disconnecting the filter from its existing place, replacing it with a new one, ensuring it's flowing in the correct direction. Once that's complete, fire up the engine and be back to plowing. Let's make sure you have the proper parts and tools necessary to get the job done. Now, let's get to work. One important thing to note before taking this fuel filter out is the direction of flow. Direction of flow is coming from the tank and going out to the fuel injection system. So this arrow on this fuel filter, make note of it prior to disconnecting. Again, noting that it's pointing towards the engine. So we'll take a pliers and we'll remove the clamps that are holding this in place. Squeeze the clamp together, slide it up the hose. Do the same thing on the lower one here. Now I can take and rotate. A little bit of fuel will come out. Should be some left inside of the filter. Now to reinstall, again, we're going to make sure that this arrow is pointing towards the engine. So we'll start on the tank side, inserting the barb into the hose until the hose fully seats against the bottom of the filter. Then we'll take our hose from the engine side, slide it over the upper barbs. Last step is to put our clamps back in place, grabbing the lower one, sliding it up. You want to make sure that clamp is between the two barbs on this filter hose. Slide that clamp down. Tuck it back into place. We hope you found this video helpful today. If you have any questions, please contact the Boss Tech Service team. We're here to back you up. Shop any Snowraider mag genuine parts and accessories at bossplow.com.